In the wild, monkeys live freely in natural forests and open jungle areas, and workers use fresh fruits and food to safely attract the monkeys. The monkeys eat calmly while trained wildlife handlers watch closely, and they are moved carefully under expert veterinary and safety supervision. This is the Monkey Pattern Leather Factory, where luxury shoes are produced, and raw leather materials arrive here to begin the full processing journey. Each leather hide is carefully inspected for quality and surface damage. Then the leather is washed to remove dirt, dust, and natural impurities. Special chemical solutions prepare the leather for the tanning process, and tanning makes the leather strong, flexible, and long-lasting. The leather sheets are stretched and dried evenly on large frames, while laser machines measure the leather thickness for perfect consistency. Natural and luxury colors are added using advanced dyeing machines, and a powerful embossing machine creates the special monkey pattern. This pattern gives the leather a unique and premium luxury look, and laser cutting machines shape the leather into precise shoe parts. Robotic arms organize and sort the leather pieces automatically, and expert workers stitch the leather pieces together with precision. Strong threads ensure the shoes remain durable and long-lasting, while soles are molded to provide comfort and long-term durability. The sole is bonded firmly to the leather upper body. Heat tunnels dry the shoes completely and evenly, and each shoe is polished by hand for a clean finish. Fine surface details are carefully painted for a premium appearance, and the brand logo is engraved using high-precision laser machines. Every shoe is inspected closely to meet quality standards. Then shoes are tested for flexibility and material strength. They are tested again to ensure water resistance and protection, and each pair is weighed carefully for balance and comfort. Soft padding is added inside the shoe for extra comfort, and the inner lining is stitched carefully with smooth leather fabric. UV light chambers dry and protect the leather surface, and final finishing is done inside special dust-free rooms. The completed shoe now shows its full luxury design. Each pair receives a barcode label for tracking and control. The shoes are packed carefully inside premium quality boxes. Machines seal the boxes securely for safe transportation, and finished shoes are moved to storage inside the warehouse.